welcome back to my channel. Come along with me as we tackle more disasters throughout our home this week. Now I will say this was a day after the last video you saw, so I tackled our bedroom and the kitchen. We did a lot of deep cleaning, but my entire house was destroyed because while I'm working on one section, the kids are over destroying another section. So I decided to work from one corner of the house to the other and keep them out of the corners that I've already done, so that way we can have a completely clean house for the weekend. And it worked out really well. I'm still not quite done, so there's probably going to be a part 3 because I really wanted to tackle the entire house before I start all of my spring decorating, and I am so excited to start decorating. So that part 3 will probably be out this Sunday after this. This will go live on Friday, and then perhaps a part 3 on Sunday if I can get it filmed, but we are going to be getting the whole entire house tackled before we start spring cleaning. So lots and lots of cleaning motivation. My house was utterly destroyed. It doesn't always get this bad, but today it was just beyond repair, it felt like. But even when we feel like that as a mom, we always know it is not beyond repair. We just have to get started somewhere. So I'm going to start over here in the corner. I brought all of these hang-up clothes out here so they were out of sight, out of mind from our bedroom while I got that room tackled. And now it's time to go ahead and hang up all these clothes and get them put away in our closet. So after we tackle that, I'm going to be going through the living room and picking up toys and messes and other piles of laundry that needed to be put away. But in today's video, we're going to be tackling the couch cushions. We're going to be pulling them all off, vacuuming underneath, pulling back the couch. There was a ton of junk underneath the couch. I'm also going to be pulling back the TV stand. There was dust and clutter and toys behind that. And so we're just pulling things out, dusting, vacuuming, mopping. I cannot wait to start my actual deep spring cleaning where I get to open up the windows and clean window tracks and do baseboards, ceiling fans, light fixtures, all of that. And there is some of that in today's video, but I wanted to get a lot of our deep cleaning and also just picking up done before I started on all of that, because obviously we cannot start spring cleaning in a house that looks like this. So let's get this living room all cleaned up and reset, and let me tell you, it felt so good when we got all done with this.
The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Top things on my to-do list for today was to get this couch cleaned up. There was so many crumbs, toys, clutter underneath these cushions, so we went ahead and pulled those all up. I'm actually going to be pulling apart these these parts of the couch and getting them vacuumed in between and all the cracks and crevices, and that just felt really good to have that done. And then we'll go right back to cleaning up all of the clutter and toys on the living room floor. I know it's silly that I'm jumping back and forth from one thing to the other, but that kind of helps me not get bored with the task. If I start cleaning up all the clutter on the floor for like an hour, that's probably how long it took me, I'm just going to get bored and burn out and not want to finish the project. So if I jump back and forth between different things, it kind of keeps me motivated. I'll do a little bit of surface cleaning with my multi-surface cleaner, and then I'll jump over and vacuum something, and then I'll go back to cleaning up toys, and then I'll fold some laundry. So whatever keeps you going, that's what you need to do in your house, especially with kids running around and chaos happening around you. You have to just do what you can to get it all tackled. So let's get this couch all cleaned up, and then we'll go right back to picking up the clutter on the floor. always lots of shoes here by the front door, and especially with all of the snow and ice we've had, all of our shoes are covered in dirt and mud. And so a huge mess here. We're just going to go through and sweep it all up, and we'll mop here in a little bit. But I will say the weather is finally starting to turn around here in Arkansas. It's starting to feel like spring, and we are loving it. It was in the 70s today, which is amazing. So very excited for warmer weather. And then here in just a second, we're going to head back into the living room and start tackling more of the clutter on the floor. And y'all are going to see lots and lots of puppets laying around my house. And those are Oliver and Annie Kate's. They actually got those from the church. My dad has been a children's minister for years and years. We traveled doing children's ministry when I was a kid, and now he's actually a senior pastor, but Oliver found his stash of puppets, so every time he goes to see my parents, he comes home with a new puppet. So there are puppets all over my house. In fact, he got a puppet stage for Christmas, and then my dad got him a black light so he can do glow-in-the-dark puppet shows, and he has been loving doing that. So that keeps him busy for most of the day and most days. But let's get all these blankets rolled up here on this bench. I've been loving using this for blanket storage. We accumulated several more blankets at Christmas, and so this is just kind of an easy way to hide them away. Let's get all those put away and then continue to tackle all of this clutter.
See, you'll get there eventually.
We were chatting in last week's video about how I've been brainstorming ideas for how to streamline meals and housework around here, simply because as a stay-at-home mom, it can feel like a never-ending battle. So I decided to start ordering Factor meals again for quick, easy, no-mess meals that are also nourishing and balanced. Will and I love Factor because they deliver fresh, never frozen, chef-crafted, and dietitian-approved meals straight to your doorstep, ready to eat in just 2 minutes. Today, the meals we got were smoky Gouda macaroni and shredded beef, balsamic onion portobello burger, pesto cream Italian sausage and rice, smoky tofu and baked beans, and bacon cheddar mac and cheese, and they all come with delicious vegetables. I'm so hungry, so we're going to pop the pesto cream Italian sausage one in the microwave, and like I said, this will be ready to eat in 2 minutes, and you cannot beat that. They are also helping us stay on top of our New Year's wellness goals. Most of the meals deliver 30 plus grams of protein to support muscle repair and recovery. Also, Factor delivers when it comes to flavor. The meals are genuinely all so delicious. They have over 100 rotating weekly options from meals and salads to breakfast, shakes, and more, all crafted with great taste and nutrition. Not to mention, it's all real food with real ingredients. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code LaurenYFB50 to get 50% off plus free breakfast for 1 year. That's code LaurenYFB50 at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free breakfast for 1 year. Offer only valid for new Factor customers with code and qualifying auto-renewing subscription purchase. Thank you, Factor, for sponsoring today's video.
I've had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light.
Whenever I go to tackle a mess like this, I'm always mind-boggled, like how the heck did we get here? There are puppets, there are clothes, candy wrappers, and they're all piled on top of each other. And it's so funny because I know I always talk about this quote, but that quote that says, you're gonna miss this, so just enjoy your kids while they're little. Which obviously I do. I love my kids and we have so much fun, which is a lot of the reason for this mess. But I saw that same quote again on Instagram today, and I was reading through the comments. The comments are always the best part, and somebody commented, they said, when are my kids gonna grow up so I can start missing them? And it made me laugh so hard because as a mom, it's just so real.
Ever since we try my best to keep my mind occupied so that I can focus on anything but you. 'Cause all I want is to get some shut-eye, but the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like
I sent Will to the store for all of my cleaning supplies the day before this, and he ended up bringing home blue Pine Sol, which I had never used before. I usually always go with lemon, and I opened it up and went to use it, and I was like, oh my gosh, how have I slept on this for so long? It smells so good. So highly recommend the blue Pine Sol, especially if you're about to start all of your spring cleaning. It smells very springy, very fresh, very fun. It doesn't smell like a cleaning supply. It almost just smells like air freshener. But anyways, highly recommend the blue one. We're going to get all of the floors mopped up around the door, and then we're also going to be mopping over on the other side of the living room underneath the windows. By the way, Oliver has been loving using those windows to run his little restaurant. So he'll open up those windows, and then he'll go outside with his little cups of lemonade, and he'll sell me lemonade through the window, which is a win-win because that way I don't have to go outside, and he can play outside, and I'll still have eyes on him. So that's been really fun, especially with the weather getting warmer. And here is underneath our couch. We had a big mess. We always do. Lots of toys, lots of clutter, candy wrappers, and we're just going to go through, get it all cleaned up, and then vacuum.
I'm not one of those who easily can open up and let somebody close. No, I'm not one of those who is the center of attention. I'm not one of those. No. Some people might say I am afraid, but I just do things my own way. I don't know why, guess I don't like people pleasing. And sometimes they don't see what defines me, but I don't need them honestly, cause I got you. Everybody else makes me feel small and dark and lost, but you're not like everybody else at all. You're the only one who makes me talk and walk so tall, cause you're not like everybody else.
The living room fan was really dusty, so I went ahead and took a pillowcase and did the little trick where I slide all of the dust off of the little ceiling fan blades, and then I took the globe off and just dusted that with some Mrs. Meyer's spray and got it looking good as new. That's one less fan that we'll have to clean in our spring cleaning series, because I do want to go through the house and clean all of the light fixtures and all of the ceiling fans. But we got that one taken care of, and now we're just going to kind of set things back in the living room how we like it. How pretty is that spring wallpaper? I just found that on YouTube. I'll try to link it below, but it's so pretty on the TV. It would be even prettier if we had a really big framed TV. But anyways, I thought that added a really nice spring touch in here. Now, Annie and Oliver love running from the vacuum and pretending like it's a monster. So she was running in and out of here saying, ah!
Do things my own way. I don't know why, guess I don't like people pleasing. And sometimes they don't see what defines me, but I don't need them honestly, cause I got you. Everybody else makes me feel small and dark and lost, but you're not like everybody else at all.
I love this gray table that we got from Amazon. It has so much storage. On one side, Will's computers and books are stored, and then on the other side is all of my kids' craft supplies, which I organized in a video recently. But I love how much storage it has, but the top has become a catch-all, so I'm going to go ahead and put away all of that clutter. Most of it was like kids' toys and just different wires and stuff, so we're going to get all of that put away and then wipe it down with our rose-scented multi-surface spray. I'm going to go ahead and light a candle, and this part of the room will be pretty much finished up. I did put Oliver on the duty of going underneath this gray cabinet and pulling all of the junk that slid underneath, so he's going to do that for me here in just a second, and then we'll go through and sweep and mop. this is a pretty universal mom thing, but I always put way too much on my to-do list for the day, and I can't always get to everything. So on my to-do list today, I actually wanted to tackle the kids' rooms too, because I was just throwing toys in there from when I was cleaning the rest of the house, and I would find toys in random places. I would just toss them in their room. And then also that white hamper that you saw a minute ago, it was full of toys from the living room. All of the kids' toys that I was finding, I just like to throw them in a basket and then go throw it by their bedroom door and sort it out later. So we're going to work on their room probably in the next video. Hopefully I can get that filmed for y'all and edited by Sunday. That way you'll have a little extra cleaning motivation and I will have my whole entire house reset. It's like a win-win. But now we're going to go through and we're going to mop and get these floors all cleaned up. I was feeling so relieved at this point in the day. Like, oh my goodness, we got so much done. Even though I didn't get to everything on my to-do list, it felt so good to have tackled so much in one day. Thank y'all so much for stopping by today's video. I hope it gave you a ton of cleaning motivation. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.